If you're a big manga fan and you're looking for some good mobile apps to read your favorite mangas, you're in the right place, because today in this video I have the top 4 best free manga apps for your iPhone or Android device. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. For the first app, we have this Chiron Jump app right here in front of you. Let's go ahead and open it, and it's gonna look like this. If you're looking for some specific mangas, you can tap right here in the top right corner and you can go ahead and search for it from there. If you're not, you can find your mangas in the recommendations. The best thing about this app is you can tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to your settings. So let's go to settings. And from settings, you can go to themes and turn on the dark mode, which is the best thing to watch and read manga in at night. And that is for the first app. For the second one, we have the Crunchyroll manga app. Now we all know Crunchyroll platform. It has some amazing anime, and of course all of us have watched some anime in it. Now this is the manga version of it. As you can see, we have tons of mangas right here, and I bet you would find the favorite ones right here on this app. If you're looking for your favorite mangas, you can go ahead and open the app and tap right here on the search bar, this one right here, and search for your favorite mangas, and you can read them for completely free. Now the next app is Viz Manga right here, VIZ Manga, and it's gonna be looking like this right here. Now you can go ahead and find your mangas right in the recommendations and suggestions, or you can search for them in the search icon in the top right corner. And this app as well has the dark theme right here to be able to watch and read mangas at night without problem. And our last app today is Manga2, and it is a very cute app, as you can see guys, and in which you can find lots of mangas as well, and in an organized way. As you can see, we have genres right here, and this cute feature where you can find and watch different mangas, depends on what character you choose, the blue or the pink one. And that is basically it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me if you have any other cool manga app that you use personally. And that is it for this video guys. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.